Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to my channel. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a V-shaped color block on your t-shirt. This is very easy to make and you can also add this to your old t-shirt. For those of you who do not know how to add tapes to your t-shirt, I have two tutorials on this which I have linked in the description box below. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. So to demonstrate how I'm going to do this, I have my front piece here with a band measuring 3 inches by 25 inches. I'm going to place the band on the front piece in form of a V shape, just like so. So this is the shape and the look I'm going for. To prepare the band, I'm going to fold it in half, right sides together. Then I'm going to decide how prominent I want the V shape to be. At the fold, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches at the top, just like so. You can mark between 1.5 inches to 2 inches, but not less. If not, the V shape will look more like a curve. Once I mark this, I'm going to draw a diagonal line starting at the mark point to the fold point at the bottom. Once I'm done, I'm going to sew on the line to secure it. Once I'm done, I'm going to trim off the excess fabric and open up the seams. As you can see, I have a really lovely V shape. Next, I'm going to fold in and iron 1/2 centimeter all along the edges. This just makes it easier to sew on the front piece. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. While you're ironing, I suggest you take your time, especially when you get to the middle. It can be a bit tricky to fold in sometimes, so just take your time. On my front piece, I folded it in half and gave it a good press so I can get a crease at the center. This is where the center of the band will be placed. I'm going to open this right side up and place the band where I want it to be. I'm going to make sure the center of the band matches the center of the front piece, just like so. I marked this so I can see where the center is while I'm moving it around. You need to make sure this is straight, so feel free to wiggle it around. While we're learning, please can I ask you to support me by subscribing to my channel. This is free without any cost to you. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're watching so far. This means a lot to me and it tells me that you enjoy my sewing tutorials. Thank you in advance. I'm also ensuring that at the armhole, I have the same measurements. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'm going to secure it with some pins so it doesn't move around while I'm sewing. Once I'm done, I'm going to sew along the edges like a top stitch using a 1mm seam allowance. Once I'm done, I'm going to take out the pins, then trim off the excess fabric. In order to trim off the excess fabric, I'm going to turn the front piece to the wrong side so I can shape the trim along the armhole line. This is what it looks like. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Next, I'm going to join the remaining t-shirt pieces, starting with the shoulders. I'm going to continue sewing off camera as I have a lot of detailed videos on my channel showing how to sew a t-shirt. Links are in the description box below. I'll be right back. Once I'm done, this is a finished look. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.